Today we're going to show you how to stow your back seats on your Toyota Sienna van. We have a 2011. First thing you're going to want to do is put these headrests down. There's a little knob. You'll just put those headrests in the lower position. Once you have the headrest down, to stow the seats, you will see that there is a number 1 by this latch, and you'll go ahead and pull that. And that will stow that side. Then you'll do the same on this side. Pull that number 1, and they'll lift up, and then they'll fold down. And then you'll have the seats flat for more room in the back of your van. So to use the seat, get it out of the stowing position, you will pull the number 1 latch again. It will lift up, and you'll hear it click. And then you will pull the number 2 latch to bring it back up. You want to make sure that they click into position and are locked so that they don't move. We'll do that over here. Pull number 1. Hear it click, and then you'll pull number 2. They should be good to go. You can also bring the headrest back up, and then you can use the seats again. Another way to save some room in your van, pull this latch, and release the seat, and you can lower it. You can do the same thing on this side. You just pull this latch, and it'll fold both the seats down. So with the seats lowered, you'll have extra room in the back of the van. Thanks for watching Bay Owl Repairs. Let us know if you have any questions. Hopefully you'll subscribe.